How to find liked videos on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your phone. Now you have to open the app. You can see this is the desktop of your TikTok, and now we can see different options at the bottom like home, friends, plus mark, inbox, and the profile. You can see this is the profile icon. We are going to find our liked videos on TikTok. You can see this is the heart option. Firstly, I have to like this video. Now we will find it on our liked option. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now you have to move on the profile icon. At the last, you can see there is an option of heart. Just you have to move on it, and you can see the video which you liked will appear here like this. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thank you.